At the New Orleans Investment Conference with Patrick Donnelly, Vice President Corporate Development with Trilogy Metals. Patrick, good to see you again. How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Several months since I spoke to you last in Vancouver. A lot has been going on in your neck of the woods.
Right now it's a pivotal time for the company. The Bureau of Land Management is making really good progress on the permitting of the road, and we expect to have all the permits in place early next year.
Okay, and this is a very important catalyst for Trilogy, as I understand it. You talk about the Ambler Road
Yes.
permits. So tell us about the EIS, the significance of it. What is the process, and how strategic is this?
Well, it's everything. It's no road, no mine. What's unusual about Trilogy is our assets, we know they're economic. Even at $2 copper, they're highly economic. It's always been about infrastructure. So the Bureau of Land Management now, they've been working on the permitting now for the last 5 or 6 years. They just closed a comment period on the draft environmental impact statement last week. And so now they're working on a final environmental impact statement. So we expect that to be completed by the end of this year. It could go into early next year. Then after that, the two final permits are the record of decision by the BLM, and then the Army Corps of Engineers will issue the 404 wetlands permit. And again, we expect that in early Q1 of next year.
Okay, and then aside from that, looking forward, what else do we have to look forward to?
We got a lot on the go. We just put out some drilling results from Bornite last week. Some really, really good holes. We got more holes coming from Arctic. We're currently working on a feasibility study for Arctic, and we'll have that out in the first quarter of next year. We also drilled one of our other prospects called Sunshine, and we had one really good hole that we released about a month ago. We got another 5 holes to come out, and hopefully we'll have some news on that soon. We'll start permitting Arctic early next year. We expect that to take 2 to 3 years. And then another huge catalyst is the option agreement with South 32. So recall that South 32 has until the end of January of next year to exercise the option. If they do that, they get a 50% interest in our assets. They got to put in $150 million US into the joint venture. So there's a lot going on right now. We're well financed. We have $26 million in the bank. Lots of news going on, and we're highly undervalued. Right now we're trading at $2 US. We were at $3.11 last summer, and it's a great opportunity for people to get in before these big catalysts come up.
Patrick Donnelly, Vice President, Trilogy Metals. Thanks for joining me.
Thanks so much.